To connect an iPhone and use Apple Carplay in your Audi, first go to Settings, which is the double gear icon. Tap Connections, then tap Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth button is darkened, turn it on by tapping the button. Bluetooth pairing is now enabled. On your phone's Bluetooth settings screen, locate and tap the same vehicle name shown on the MMI. From there, a code will pop up on the phone and MMI, allowing you to confirm the connection. Next, you will see a screen confirming you want to use CarPlay. This will connect the phone via Bluetooth and the vehicle hotspot. You can always connect CarPlay by connecting a USB-C cable to the front charging ports and your phone. Either way, you are now ready to use CarPlay. To switch between multiple connected devices, go to Settings, Connections, and tap Connection Manager. Here, you can switch to and manage all of your connected devices. With Apple CarPlay, your Audi delivers connectivity, entertainment, and convenience.